What up? Swin Da Print God. Man, people be asking me, man, what is fractals? Why did you name it fractals? Man, you know me, I'm down with nature and being harmonious with the universe, feel me? So fractals is a geometrical shape that you're gonna find in nature, like a galaxy, a tree, an eroded coastline, things like that. So the more you zoom into it, it looks the same as when you zoom out. Check it. So a Q1 looks the same as a Q5, it's just zoomed in. And when you zoom out, it looks the same. Let's go deeper. Y'all know what the Fibonacci sequence is?
What?
1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, etc. So that's why I got the Q1, Q3, Q5. I'm being harmonious, you feel me? Let's go deeper, right? So Q1, Q3, Q5, that all equals 9. And y'all know what 9 is, man. Y'all know what 9, that's the God number. Anything you multiply 9 with equals itself. 9. Woo! 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 You feel me, bitch? Swin Da Print God, I'm gone. Woo!